Hello. In one of our earlier videos, we discussed about definition of success and that it means different to different people. Today we are going to discuss what makes successful people. So if you look at all the successful people, they would definitely have some habits within them which made them successful. So these are called positive habits. These could be setting goals for themselves, having a plan, having great self-discipline, having a fitness regime, taking responsibility of their own life, obsessed with self-development and time management priority. It could be endless. But however, they would have a list of positive habits with them for them to be successful. So tell me in the comment box one positive habit you have within you and one positive habit you would want to cultivate within your life so that you become successful in your career and life. I hope you are liking our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do comment on how do you like this videos. If you would like to include any topic of your interest through our videos, please mention so. Wishing you good luck. Bye bye.